Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you several important Windows 11 settings to disable for improved privacy, performance, and a cleaner user experience. And now let's get started. To begin, open File Explorer. Once it is open, click on the three dots located at the top of the window and then select Options. In the folder Options window that appears, navigate to the View tab. Scroll down through the list of advanced settings and locate the option for Show Sync Provider Notifications. If this option is currently checked, please uncheck it. This action will prevent intrusive pop-ups from services like OneDrive or Microsoft Cloud. After making this change, click Apply and then OK to save your adjustments and close File Explorer. Next, we will adjust settings through the Settings application. Access the Start menu, then click on Settings and subsequently navigate to System. Scroll down the System options and select Notifications. While you can disable all notifications here if you prefer, I recommend clicking on Additional Settings, which is located further down. Within this section, disable all toggles related to ads, suggestions, and tips. These features are not essential and serve only to clutter your screen. Returning to the left sidebar of the Settings menu, click on Personalization. Then, go to the Lock Screen option. Under the Lock Screen Status drop-down menu, select None. This change will prevent Microsoft from displaying weather information or app updates on your lock screen. Now, navigate back and open Privacy and Security. Within this section, locate and select either General or Recommendations and Offers, depending on your specific Windows version. Please turn off all the toggle switches you find in this area. These controls manage aspects like personalized advertisements, suggestions, and usage tracking. Once more, return to the Privacy and Security section. This time, click on Speech and disable online speech recognition for enhanced privacy. Again, return to Privacy and Security. Proceed to Inking and Typing Personalization and turn it off. This will stop Windows from collecting your typing data. Next, go to Diagnostics and Feedback. Here, disable all data sharing options. If the option is available, click on Delete Diagnostic Data to remove any data that has already been collected. Additionally, if you wish to prevent location tracking, go to Location and toggle it off. If your laptop has a camera that you do not use, you may also disable it here. For a final personalization adjustment, return to Personalization. Scroll down to the Start menu section and disable Show Recommendations, Tips, Shortcuts, and New Apps. These are essentially advertisements that are not necessary for your daily use. Finally, navigate to System, then to Notifications, and ensure that the main notification toggle is turned off. By disabling these settings, you will achieve a faster, cleaner, and more private Windows 11 experience. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.